Let's balance another skeletal chemical equation. We have the chemical equation for iron reacting with water, forming iron oxide with the release of hydrogen. We have learned what needs to be done. Get the number of atoms in reactants and the number of atoms in products and adjust them to get a balanced chemical equation. On the reactant side, iron 1 atom, hydrogen 2 atom, and oxygen 1 atom. On product side, we have iron 3 atoms, hydrogen 2 atoms, and oxygen 4 atoms. Clearly, this needs to be balanced. Let's start with oxygen. Now, why oxygen first? It could actually be any element, but it would be easier if you start with element having the maximum number of atoms. Here, oxygen has 4 atoms, which is maximum, so we start with oxygen. We need 4 atoms of oxygen on the reactant side. Let's rewrite the equation as Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Now on reactant side, iron 1 atom, hydrogen has 4 times 2, that is 8 atoms now, and oxygen 4 atoms. On the product side, iron 3 atoms, hydrogen 2, and oxygen 4 atoms. No changes because we have not touched the products yet. Only oxygen is balanced now. The equation is still not balanced though. Can you guess which element is next? Yes, hydrogen. Now it has maximum number of atoms, that is 8. Hydrogen on the product side needs a fix. Multiply 4 times 2 to get 8. We rewrite the equation as Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Same reactants. Iron 1 atom, hydrogen 8, oxygen 4 atoms. Product side, iron 3 atoms, hydrogen 8 atoms, and oxygen 4 atoms. Hydrogen and oxygen are balanced. Now, it's quite simple. Iron is left out. Just requires to be multiplied by 3. Now the equation becomes 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Let's compare the atoms of elements now. On reactant side, iron 3, hydrogen 8, and oxygen 4 atoms. On the product side, iron 3, hydrogen 8, and oxygen 4 atoms. Now the atoms of the elements on both sides are the same. So we have a balanced equation, which is 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Can you balance these equations? Hydrogen burns in oxygen, forming water. Hydrogen reacts with chlorine explosively in the presence of UV light to form hydrogen chloride. Sodium reacts with water vigorously to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen.